Three Tejas light combat aircraft of the Indian Air Force and Sarang helicopter team have arrived in Dubai to participate in the Dubai Air Show 2023. After India's arrival, Pakistan has requested United Arab Emirates to keep a large time gap between the aerial displays of JF-17 and India's Tejas at the air show. The Indian Air Force is looking at private sector to develop inflatable and modular sun shelters that will provide critical environmental protection for mobile elements such as radar systems, missiles, weapon storage and aircraft during off-base operations. A senior US defense official has confirmed that an American MQ-9 drone was shot down off the coast of Yemen by Houthi rebels last night. India and US will hold the 5th India-US 2+2 dialogue, during which the sale of 31 MQ-9B drones and 6 more P-8I aircraft will be discussed. Indian Cyber Force has launched massive cyber attacks on Qatar in response to the recent sentence handed to 8 ex-Indian Navy officers by a Qatari court. The J&K administration has terminated services of 55 government employees who were found to be involved in activities that support terrorism in the Union Territory. Officials have said that the delivery of the Brahmos missiles to the Philippines is on track, and it will start from early next month. India has dropped plans to arm its fleet of Israeli Heron unmanned aerial vehicles under Project Cheetah, and it will now only upgrade its communication capability to satellite connectivity that will allow them better endurance capabilities. The US will invest $553 million in Adani-developed port terminal in Sri Lanka's capital, as India and US look to curtail China's influence in the region. Army Aviation Corps is planning to create additional integrated aviation brigades along the Pakistan and China border. Hindustan Aeronautics has signed a transfer of technology agreement with National Aerospace Laboratories for the manufacturing of BMI Engine Bay Door for the series production of Tejas Mach 1A. With the signing of the technology transfer, HAL can directly produce these high-temperature resistant composite parts for the Tejas Mach 1A that can withstand a service temperature of about 200 degrees Celsius. National Aerospace Laboratories had developed several composite parts for Tejas aircraft that has reduced cost by 20% and 25% weight reduction in parts of Tejas aircraft. While Russia has stayed out of the Super Sukhoi upgrade package, under which India aims to replace 51 major systems and components with indigenous systems, Russia has now extended an offer of advanced weaponry for India's Super Sukhoi project. The Russian offer includes the 40 km range R-74M1 air-to-air missile that features improved engagement and seeker acquisition range, as well as the Kh-59MK2 air-launched subsonic cruise missile, which has an impressive range of approximately 280 kilometers. Officials have said that modern interceptor missiles are being developed to counter near-hypersonic missiles like Brahmos, but mastering these technologies is expected to take at least 10 to 15 years. Brahmos Aerospace has said that it is enhancing the current ramjet engine of the Brahmos missile to increase its speed to Mach 4.5, and this boost in speed will further solidify the position of Brahmos-X variant as an unbeatable missile for the next 20 years, while the Mach 7 Brahmos-2 hypersonic missile is slated for completion by 2028. The Indian Army's Aviation Corps has started evaluating responses received from interested companies to identify suitable options for leasing light utility helicopters, and once the assessment is complete, the Army plans to issue a request for proposal for the lease of these helicopters. Officials have said that the decision for leasing utility helicopters is driven by the limited production capacity of Hindustan Aeronautics, which may not be sufficient to meet the Army's immediate needs. Today's top 3 comments.